Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to nest clips. What is nest? Nesting is when you merge all your cuts in your timeline to be on a single sequence is here, but when you nest all the clips together, all of them becomes one sequence which is created inside a sequence that you are editing in your timeline. So let's take, for instance, I have just one clip on the timeline. Let me add others. This is another one. Let me trim and close. That is it. Let me place another clip on the timeline just to get the idea of what I am talking about. So you see these are 3 clips. Then let's say we place another clip at the top of this very one. Let me unlink this. Right click to unlink, then close it. Let me place it on top of this very clip. Let's say I bring another clip to the timeline. Let's say this very one. So I'm placing it here. So you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips on the timeline, all in separate timeline. So all we do if we want to nest it together is to highlight everything. We right click and you scroll to nests. It pops up for you to name this nested sequence and you okay. You see everything becomes one straight video. A detailed tutorial will be coming on certain effects that requires being nested before you can apply such effects, most especially when you are trying to create 3D related effects in Premiere Pro, which you are aware that Premiere Pro is not a 3D compositing software, but for editing videos. So if you want to create videos that depict 3D effects, so it's ideal you nest them together to have a straight clip to enable you have control over it. So I hope you understand how to nest. In a subsequent tutorial, when we are making other videos, you'll be able to understand the need to nest clips in Premiere Pro when making your visual effects. I hope you learned something. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.